arbitrationagreements.org. Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are diving deep into the fascinating world of labor arbitration. Picture it as a bridge that connects two cliffs, providing a pathway for both parties to meet halfway, resolve disputes amicably, and maintain a harmonious work environment. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help you keep costs low whenever problems occur. Labor arbitration, by its simplest definition, is a method used to resolve disputes between employers and employees. When conflicts arise, it serves as a fair and neutral ground, where an arbitrator, a third party who isn't affiliated with either side, listens to both perspectives, analyzes the situation, and gives a verdict that is usually binding. Now, allow me to share with you a couple of interesting statistics. In the United States, about 20% of workers are covered under a collective bargaining agreement, and a significant portion of these agreements opt for arbitration as a means to settle grievances. Also, according to various studies, labor arbitration cases tend to conclude much faster compared to court litigation. On average, it takes about 570 days less. This implies that parties can find resolutions more quickly, saving time and potentially reducing costs. While it's a process that leans heavily on dialogue, it can profoundly influence the work environment, helping to foster understanding and harmony between employees and employers. It not only aids in settling disputes, but also plays a pivotal role in preventing them in the first place by encouraging open communication and cooperation. Now, navigating the labyrinth of labor laws and rights can sometimes be complex, and that's where we come in. Welcome to arbitrationagreements.org. We specialize in offering top-notch labor arbitration programs and services all over the country. Our experienced team is well-versed with the ins and outs of arbitration and is always standing by to assist you in initiating the proceedings smoothly, either online or over the phone. Whether you're looking to open a new account or start a new case, we are here to guide you every step of the way. Remember, labor arbitration isn't just about resolving conflicts. It's about fostering a workplace that values fairness, respect, and collaboration. If you want to learn more information about labor arbitration, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that, give us a call. Also, what do you think about arbitration? Does it seem like a great alternative to court litigation? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.